Understanding the phrase, bracket. Hey there, English learners. Today, we're diving deep into the term, bracket. By the end of this video, you'll not only know what it means, but also how and when to use it. So, let's bracket some time to unravel this term together. Brackets are punctuation marks used in written language. They come in pairs and can look like this, or even. Each pair has its own specific use. For example, round brackets or parentheses are commonly used to add additional information or clarification. Example, I visited London in 2019 for a conference. Square brackets are often used in quotes or citations to add words that aren't in the original quote but are necessary for clarity. Example, she said, the book was incredibly insightful. Curly brackets, also known as braces, are less common in general English writing but are frequently used in mathematics and computer programming. Beyond their literal use in punctuation, the word bracket can also be used in a more figurative sense. For instance, 1. To bracket something means to put it into a category or group. Example, they bracketed the movie into the action genre. 2. To bracket can also mean to place the same bet on two different outcomes, ensuring that you win regardless of the result. This term is often used in sports betting. Example, he bracketed his bets on both teams so he wouldn't lose money. Bracket can also be a part of some phrases. 1. Age bracket refers to a group of people of a similar age. Example, the game is popular among the 18 to 25 age bracket. 2. Tax bracket refers to the division at which tax rates change in a progressive tax system. Example, earning more might push you into a higher tax bracket. So there you have it. Whether you're using bracket to refer to punctuation, categorization, or even in certain phrases, you now have a better grasp of its versatility in the English language. We hope this video has been illuminating. Remember, language is an ever-evolving journey, and every word has its story. Keep exploring, and we'll catch you in the next lesson.